How do you see your career developing further in mechatronics?
Firstly, I would like to complete my master's degree and become a chartered engineer. MCP have been very supportive in my educational aspirations, which I'm very grateful for. I'd also like to continue learning about existing and upcoming new technologies, for example IoT and AI, and how they can be used to benefit the field of mechatronics. What do you think makes an apprenticeship in digital marketing unique compared to other learning paths?
Being able to gain experience with real campaigns, analytics and marketing strategies has helped me to learn about marketing, as I can reference this back to my job at MCP. This is the best way for me to learn. Also, building the essential office communication and teamwork skills has also helped me to learn how to work in an office environment. Having both theory knowledge and practical experience has helped me massively in my career to expand my knowledge and skill set. How did your apprenticeship prepare you for pursuing a master's degree in a technical field?
Having the background engineering knowledge and skills that I've learnt through being in industry has been invaluable. Also, learning how to overcome challenges and complete projects to a high standard is such a key aspect of my day-to-day work. What skills did your apprenticeship help you develop that are crucial in your current role?
I'd have to say strengthening my ability to communicate effectively with others. This has also boosted my confidence and being able to handle tasks and presenting ideas to others, what I really struggled with at the start of my apprenticeship. It's also shaping my ability to think critically and find solutions to challenges quickly and efficiently. And it also enhances my ability to prioritize tasks and manage deadlines efficiently. What do you find most exciting about working in the field of mechatronics?
I love the variety of work. One day I could be writing a program for a customer, and the next day I could be using CAD to design a prototype for a different project. I also enjoy seeing projects I complete fully functioning. What specific area of digital marketing do you find most exciting, and how did your apprenticeship help you specialise in it?
I have a passion for the creative side of marketing. I enjoy planning and creating content for various platforms, helping to connect with our audiences. Recently I've started getting involved in event coordination, and it's quickly become something that I truly enjoy. The hands-on experience that I have gained by my apprenticeship has allowed me to explore these areas and develop specialised skills in both content creation and event management.